Good morning, all. Myself, I am Chaitanya Reddy. I'll be handling EMF for you. As you know, electromagnetic field theory is a study of fields. Fields are nothing but if you have electric fields, magnetic fields. Fields are nothing but fields are vectors which have magnitude and direction. So we need some strong basics of understanding of vectors for understanding of EMF theory. So before we start the actual subject, we have some introduction to our subject, which includes scalar quantities, vector quantities, unit vectors, addition of vectors, multiplication of vectors, and also a basic introduction for coordinate system. Because, for example, you have a small charge Q that is placed here, and I want to find electric field at a distant point P. If I want to find electric field at a distant point P, charge Q, which is basically a scalar quantity, and I want to find electric field at a distant point, and that distant point is on a wall, then we are supposed to have a Cartesian coordinate system to evaluate the field on that point. That means we should have basic idea of coordinate systems. For that, in introduction, we move further for understanding of coordinate systems. Followed up with differential length, surface and volume. Why this differential length, surface and volume are useful for us is, for example, I want to find electric field in 100 kilometer length of line, which is practically impossible. So what we try to do is we try to find a small length called differential length. And we try to integrate it over a line integral so that we can find electric field over the length of 100 kilometers. So that's the basic idea of understanding of differential length. Similarly, differential surface ds and differential volume dv. And this differential length, surface and volume can be a part of a cube, which is basically evaluated by Cartesian coordinate system. It can be a part of a cylinder, which is basically a part of cylindrical coordinate system, which can be a part of a sphere, which can be evaluated through spherical coordinate system. Therefore, we need to evaluate dl, ds and dv in all the three coordinate systems. And once we are trying to evaluate the functionality of these vectors, we come across evaluation of divergence of the vector, curl of vector and gradient of vector. These are the basic components. These are the basic components for us, which include the introduction for EMF theory. So we start with the scalar quantity. Okay.